Apply shaving cream to a broom. It might sound like a strange idea at first, but this cleaning hack has been going viral lately. Most people have no idea that ordinary shaving cream works surprisingly well for cleaning around the toilet. All you need is a regular broom that you probably already have at home. Coat the bristles on both sides with a generous amount of shaving cream, making sure they're completely covered. It's an especially helpful trick for older adults or anyone with back problems, since you don't have to bend over as much. Simply flip the broom over and spread the shaving cream across the floor around the toilet. That's one of the areas where dirt, dust, and grime tend to build up the most, yet it's also one of the hardest places to reach. Shaving cream works much like foaming soap, helping loosen everyday dirt while leaving the surface feeling fresh and clean. Apply a generous amount so the broom bristles can work the foam deep into corners, edges, and other hard-to-reach spots. But that's not all. Cover the toilet seat, toilet bowl, and the sides of the toilet with shaving cream as well. You can apply it using the broom or simply use a sponge. Let it sit for about 15 minutes so it has time to work. During that time, the foam helps soften everyday grime and freshen the surface. Then rinse everything with warm water and wipe it clean with a cloth or mop. You'll immediately notice that the toilet and floor tiles look cleaner and shinier. As a bonus, your bathroom will smell fresh, and the shaving cream can even help freshen up grout lines without heavy scrubbing. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Just 3 steps are enough, and you'll have shiny and clean floors that you can eat off of like a plate. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. The floor will be clean, shiny, without streaks and dullness. If you have these products, you'll quickly make the floor surface cleaner than ever. And you won't spend a fortune on it. The products you already have at home are enough. Pour warm water into the bucket. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. A generous portion of vinegar, preferably about 1 cup. And a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything with a mop. Now everything is ready to wash the floors. This mixture removes dirt, grease, stains, and unpleasant odors. Additionally, vinegar kills bacteria and germs. Baking soda has disinfecting properties. That's why it's worth using it to clean the floor, especially if you have small children. Owners of dogs and cats should also use such a mixture to clean the floor. Vinegar also ensures there are no streaks or spots on the floor. Therefore, many people use it to clean laminate and tile floors. However, pure vinegar should not be used on wooden surfaces, so it's best to use mixtures where vinegar is one of many ingredients. See for yourself. Floor cleaning has never been so easy. I take 1 ingredient from the kitchen and add it to my floor cleaning water. The floor shines like never before. If you're into DIY floor cleaning and you're tired of streaks, dust, and shoe marks that seem to appear out of nowhere, especially in the kitchen or hallway, this trick is for you. Grab a glass and drop in 3 black tea bags. Pour boiling water over them and let it steep for a few minutes so the tea gets really strong. Then let it cool down so you can safely add it to a bucket. Pour the tea into the bucket, add about 1 quart of water and stir. Dip your mop into the mixture, then wring it out well. Mop the floors as usual, slowly and without rushing, so you pick up all the dust and dirt from the surface. If you're wondering how to mop without streaks and how to get rid of streaks on the floor, black tea is the best solution. It works as a natural floor polish because it contains tannins, which gently smooth the surface and make streaks much less visible. Your floor looks fresher and more polished faster. In a moment, you'll see it's clean with a subtle shine, like after a deep clean, but without harsh chemicals. It's a simple trick for a glossy floor, perfect when you want to refresh your whole home quickly and get that wow effect. I learned the secret to perfectly shiny floors from a hotel housekeeper. Ever since then, the laminate in my house always looks like it's been polished. Grab your mop bucket and toss in a few ice cubes. The cold helps refresh the surface and makes cleaning easier later on. Now, for laundry pods. 4 is enough. Crush them in your hands. These little pods are packed with concentrated cleaning agents and are great at tackling buildup. Throw in some scent beads to fill the mix with a lasting, fresh aroma that stays in the room for a long time. Next, add a little laundry detergent. It cuts through grease, handles daily dirt great, and leaves the floor feeling smooth. Now, time for toilet disinfectant. It has strong cleaning power and refreshing properties, so it works on tougher grime and neutralizes odors. Pour hot water over everything so the ingredients blend well. Dunk the mop in, let it soak thoroughly, then wring it out really well. Now just mop the floor as usual. 0 streaks, 0 dull spots, just a clean, shiny finish like a professional cleaning job. Finally, pour the water down the toilet. That dirt just proves your floor has been deeply cleaned. The secret to a shiny floor your neighbors will envy. A hotel cleaning lady shared this trick with me, and ever since then, my floors have looked brand new. Usually, after mopping, streaks, dull spots, and smudges appear, and the fresh look fades within minutes. But your floor can look like something straight out of a commercial. You just need to do it the right way. Fill a bucket and toss in a full pack of ice cubes. If that's not enough, add another one. The cold water evaporates slower and won't leave streaks. Take a pool noodle with a hole in the middle, fit it onto your faucet, and turn on the water. The stream will go straight into the bucket, no bending or splashing. Add floor cleaner to give shine and remove greasy marks. Then pour in some fabric softener. It smooths the surface and keeps dust from settling. Finally, add vinegar, which naturally polishes and removes buildup. Soak your mop, wring it out, and clean as usual. You'll see the difference right away. No streaks, no dullness, just a spotless shine that looks like a pro did it. And best of all, the effect lasts much longer thanks to this perfect combo.